are we doing today, Kristen?
We are getting ready to head down to Baja for the BAJA500. We're going to pre-run all week and get ourselves prepared for race day.
Can't go anywhere without fuel.
So, you want to go? You want me to go?
I'll go first.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, so we made it to Valle de Trinidad. We're here, we're going to check in, get our room, get a good night's sleep, go have some tacos, and then...
She said everything.
No, then tomorrow we're going to get started with our pre-running.
Yeah. Oh, see, now she said everything. I better just get to unloading bags. That's what I do best.
He's just a driver, don't worry about him.
Yeah, just a driver and a Sherpa.